You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and today we have another mystery box from Cricut. This one is the Game On mystery box, and it does come with a cutie, but there's something a little different with this one. So you're gonna get one of two cuties, which I kind of like, and it's really exciting because you don't know which one you're gonna get. And I haven't even looked to see which one I have in my box yet. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the box and see what goodies we have. First up in the box, you are going to get a hat. This is Cricut's ball cap blank, and then you can put infusible ink on here. You can go ahead and put iron on here. If you have the Cricut hat press, even better. And something you can put on the hat, Cricut infusible ink. And this is the Patterns Comic Dot. So in this, you're gonna get 4 12x12 sheets, and there is one of each color. You're gonna get one of each of those pretty colors. So the green and the black, the blue and the black, the yellow and the orange, and the blue and the green. I really like these because they remind me of like the comic pop art. It's fun. And we're gonna get some of this cool vinyl. This is the premium vinyl. This is removable matte, but this is the 3D texture. And you're gonna get 6 12x12 sheets of this, and there's 6 different colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out so you can see the colors and you can see like the 3D texture, because it's hard to explain the 3D texture without seeing it. We'll get yellow, and then this looks white, but it's not white. This is actually cream color here. Brown, the black, this awesome green. You can really see the texture on this green one too. It just looks really neat. To me, it just looks so neat. Like, look at that texture. And then when you move it, it's almost, does this almost like lentricular kind of thing. And I will say on these, the 3D textures are not all the same on all of them. The 3D texture on the brown, the gold and the black are the same texture, which is this one here. So the yellow is the same as the green texture also. So basically 2 colors in each different texture. And we're getting 12 by 48 inches of the premium vinyl. This is permanent glossy, but this is the holographic thread, and this is in the cherry color. So you're gonna get 12 by 48 inches of this. This is the cherry. I love the holographic threads because it's just a neat, can you guys see? There you go. That really shows you what the holographic threads look like. So this is the cherry, and you get 12 by 48 inches of this. Just think Christmas coming up. Christmas in July, which, if you're watching this the day the mystery box comes out, tomorrow is Cricut's Christmas in July event, where they're going to share Christmas holiday inspiration. It's a whole day event, so make sure to check out the Christmas in July tomorrow. I will put the links in the description below, and there'll also be links to buy this mystery box, as always. And we're getting some everyday iron-on mesh. This is going to be 12 by 24 inches of this ocean blue. So it is the mesh, little holes in it there. This is perfect to put on. You can make like jerseys. You can add it to backpacks, tote bags. And we're getting Cricut's linerless transfer tape. If you haven't tried the linerless transfer tape, try it. But you're gonna get 13 inches by 15 feet of this. That is a lot of transfer tape. And if you got the new Cricut Venture, you're gonna want more transfer tape with those big projects. And we're getting some mats. So we're getting 3 of the 12 by 12 light grip mats. Now these mats are perfect for printer paper, vellum, construction paper, washi sheets too. And last but never least is the cutie. So with this, you're gonna get one of 2 cuties. So you're either gonna get the gold cutie or the persimmon cutie. So I haven't even read the back of the box. I haven't even looked. So let's see, which cutie did we get? It's like drum roll. Drum roll, please. It's the gold cutie. It's almost like Willy Wonka's golden ticket. I got a golden cutie. It's ours, Charlie. I got the golden cutie. So this is a persimmon cutie. He's a red, orangish red. You're either gonna get the persimmon or you're gonna get the gold. And if you get the box, comment below and let us know which color did you get. I'm really curious. And because we get a cutie, not both, just one. And because we get a cutie, the box is Cricut Access only. So you can only purchase if you're Cricut Access. There's links in the video description below to go ahead and join Cricut Access if you're not already. But you get so much more than just the ability to buy these adorable cuties and mystery boxes. So much more. And with the mystery boxes, quantities are extremely, extremely limited. They've been selling out very quickly, sometimes within an hour or 2. So if you want to purchase, links are in the video description below. Links are there to join Access. And if you're watching this the day the mystery box comes out, make sure you enter our Melody Lane monthly giveaway. We're giving away to one winner their choice of a Cricut Bright 360 lamp. So you get your choice of table model or floor model, and then whichever color you would prefer. And the Cricut Venture is now for sale. Well, it might be. It's actually sold out on Cricut today, but they're supposed to be getting more in. So if you want to purchase the Cricut Venture, links are also in the video description below here. We really appreciate when you guys use our links because that's how we make money off any of this. We just get a small portion. It's basically a great way to support small business. It's like the big companies share just a little bit with the small companies for a purchase. If you're going to purchase the Cricut Venture, but you're not Cricut Access, highly suggest it. If you're Premium Access, you're going to save $100 on purchasing the Venture, and your yearly subscription is $119.88. So you're only paying $19.88 for a year of Cricut Design Space, essentially. But not only that, but you're going to save on all your purchases too. So you're going to save on the mystery boxes, you're going to save 20% with Premium Access. So right there, you're going to save $12. So if you bought one mystery box, you're paying like $8 for your Cricut Access for the year. But you get so much more with that. You're going to get a $10 off coupon every 3 months. You're going to get tons of fonts and images, background remover, monogram maker, text warp, and then savings on all your purchases on Cricut.com. I don't know how anybody creates without it because I love going into Cricut Design Space and having all of these options of images and fonts that I don't have to look for anywhere else and I can use them. But we appreciate you guys watching. We always appreciate you using our links and we really appreciate just giving us a thumbs up. Just a thumbs up. We were really excited for the Cricut Venture launch. If you have not seen the Cricut Venture, I will put the links in the video also to go ahead and watch our video where I show you all about the new machine. And it's awesome. It's awesome. It's bigger, it's faster, and once you cut with those speeds, I'm sorry, but you don't want to go back. Like I love my other machines, but I'm like, I'm cutting at these speeds now. There's so much you can get done. And now there's 24 by 28 inch cardstock available too, and a whole bunch of other items also. I love the 24 by 28 inch cardstock because you can put one mat on, and you know how much you can cut on one 24 by 28 inch piece? A ton. And I love that. So you don't have to load mats and load mats. You get one giant mat, one giant piece of cardstock, and go. And you can do the giant vinyl projects, iron on. Cut up to 75 feet of vinyl. Crazy! Thanks to our admins, our supporters, you guys, and to Cricut. We appreciate everything, and we hope you all have a craftastic rest of your week. And don't forget, on this Saturday is Cricut's Christmas in July event. So go ahead and make sure and check that out. And everybody's working on Christmas already. Why? Because it comes fast. And if you wait till right before it, you don't get it done because there's too much to do. Oh, and the price. The price of the box is $59.99, but it's not really because you have to be Access to buy. So you're either going to save 10% with a regular Access membership or you're going to save 20% with that Premium Access membership. Thank you so much for watching. We really, really appreciate you guys, and we hope you all have a craftastic week. Bye, everyone. Toodles. You looking at me? I'm looking at you. Are you looking at me? You're looking at me. Anyway. And toodles from Alex. Just happened right there. I don't even know. This is why it looks like a child behind me, because I'm still like a child. See you next time. Bye.